You must already be aware of the numerous health benefits of essential oil, and its usefulness in beauty also. This is why you are looking to find out the best essential oil for clearing sinuses. With the aid of essential oils, you can easily free your blocked sinus and improve drainage. We encourage you to stick around to the end of this video, as we will be discussing some of the best essential oil to use and how to use them. You can also expect to learn about some of the safety precautions to note when using these oils. Without beating around the bush, here are the best essential oil to clear a stuffed sinus. Peppermint oil. If you've ever inhaled peppermint or tasted any candy containing mint, you will notice that it offers relief to a closed airway. This is because it contains menthol, which helps to soothe the airways and decongest the air passage. This makes it easy for you to breathe properly. In addition to freeing up your blocked sinus, it also helps to fight bacteria, which is one of the causes of sinus-related problems. In studies conducted on animals, it was also discovered to help reduce inflammation. You can use peppermint oil to aid breathing by adding it to a steam bath and breathing it in for a few minutes. You should repeat this procedure until the congestion clears up. You can also make use of an oil diffuser to treat the air inside your room as you relax. This can help reduce the symptoms and improve your breathing. If you are wondering where to get fresh peppermint oil to buy, you can check at your local store or online for some of the best products. Eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus essential oil also works miracles when it comes to clearing a stuffy nose. Many nasal sprays, rubs, and balms contain eucalyptus oil, which is added to help relieve congestion. Eucalyptus oil contains the compound cineol, which helps to improve symptoms of sinusitis. It was also found to improve symptoms of headache, stress, and dizziness. You also want to be careful with using or swallowing too much of it. This is because it can cause heartburn or rash when used in excess. You can also find eucalyptus oil at your local drugstore or online. To use it in clearing stuffy sinus, you can add it to a steam bath or diffuse just like peppermint oil. You can also rub it directly to your chest before going to bed to improve your breathing. Oregano essential oil. You can also use oregano essential oil to relieve your stuffy nose. The essential oil contains carvacrol, a phenol that is known to inhibit the growth of bacteria. It also has other numerous health benefits, which include natural antibiotic, helps to fight inflammation, pain reliever, and also used as a powerful antioxidant. You can use oregano oil by applying it directly to your chest or in a diffuser. Rosemary essential oil. Rosemary essential oil possesses anti-inflammatory properties that may be of importance in getting rid of swollen sinuses. It also contains antioxidants that can improve metabolism. The pleasant scent of the oil makes it also a popular diffuser oil to improve the atmosphere. It can also be used as an aromatherapy to reduce stress and improve nerve functions. Lavender essential oil. Lavender oil can also be used to relieve a stuffy nose. It also eases pain and swelling in the nasal cavity. You can use lavender in a diffuser to improve the air in your room and relieve congestions. If you also find it difficult to relax or sleep, you can apply a few drops of lavender oil to clean cloth and inhale repeatedly. You can easily find lavender oil to buy online. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil also makes the list of the essential oil that can improve sinus congestion. This is due to the fact that it has the ability to fight bacterial and viral infections in the sinus. The secret to the potency of tea tree oil is due to the presence of the compound alpha-sabine. In addition to clearing a stuffy nose, you also use tea tree oil in a diffuser to improve the air. How to use essential oil to treat sinusitis. We recommend that you should not swallow essential oils in a bid to clear your sinus. It is best that you dilute the oil in a carrier oil such as coconut oil, and then slowly breathe it in. For the best results, you can use essential oil to treat your sinus by using any of the following methods. Inhaling the steam. You can add a few drops of the essential oil to a bucket of hot water and inhale the steam with a towel over your head. This is a great way to get the essential oils to reach your air passage in a short time. Direct inhalation. You can also inhale the essential oil directly by first applying it to a clean cloth and then slowly breathing it in. This is a great way to improve your breathing and can be done at any time or place. Using a diffuser. You can buy a diffuser to use in improving the air in your home. You can easily add the essential oil to the diffuser and inhale it as you relax or take a nap. Add to bath water. You can add essential oils to your bath water and inhale it as you clean up. Final note. The best way to use essential oil for clearing sinuses is to add 5 drops of the essential oil to 2 drops of olive or coconut oil. You want to make sure that you dilute the essential oil in a carrier oil before inhaling it. This reduces the harsh nature of the oil and makes it easy to breathe in. You can try any of the essential oil mentioned previously. I find eucalyptus and peppermint oil to work well when it comes to clearing blocked sinus. Remember to purchase your oils from organic stores with a good business record. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.